In this tutorial video, we're going to be seeing how to implement an abstract class in Java. Now, in the previous video, we spoke about abstract classes. So just to recap briefly, abstract classes are classes that cannot be instantiated. So you're probably wondering, well, what's their purpose? What are they for? Well, we're going to be seeing precisely what they're for within this example. So just to give you a better idea of the example we're working in, we're going to look at this class diagram of our program. So here we have three classes: the animal class, which is the superclass, and also the abstract class. And we have two classes here, cat and dog, which are subclasses of animal. So the cat and dog class take on the fields and methods of the superclass animal. So the purpose of abstract classes is to function as base classes which can be extended by subclasses to create a full implementation. So you can think of them as a template, if you will. So the animal class here is a template for the creation of the objects of its of the subclasses, or of its subclasses. So in this example here, we cannot instantiate a object animal because it's an abstract class. But if we instantiate a new, for example, dog object, the dog object will inherit the fields and methods of the animal class, using obviously the concept of inheritance, which we've already seen previously. So that's its purpose. Its purpose is to play the role of a template for all of its subclasses. It's a way to structurize the code of your program, so to make it more organized. So here we have, I'll just go through the code briefly. This is the superclass animal, also the abstract class. So you have your fields and methods. We then have our two subclasses, dog and cat, which take on the fields and methods of the superclass. And then, as we would do normally, we would create an object dog, type dog, using the dog constructor to create our dog object. And just to see if it works, we would then execute a method for that dog object. So let's do that now. Let's run. Okay. As you can see, there's no problem at all. So again, the purpose of abstract classes is to function as base classes which can be extended by subclasses to create a full implementation of an object. So you can think of an abstract class as nothing more than a template.